welcome to Dexter's. Dexter's here. And today, we're gonna play Silly Walks. And I think this is the third episode, or fourth, not fully sure. But, wait, this is our third. Okay, so we already finished kitchen fencers, dirty dishes. And now we have a boss, which is hammer time. And is that a Russian guy? Let's just play. So I've been playing it and it's been really hard, so give me luck. Just wish me luck. So yeah, I died once in this on accident. It's a bit weird and funny at the same time. I don't know. I'm just gonna. Yep, and then there's the dude there. Come over here. So we have to try to get them on the X, and he is pretty annoying. So, oh no! Oh no! Stay on the X. Stay on the X. So you have to try to squish him a whole bunch of times. So he breaks up. I haven't beaten this boss because I died a couple times. But yeah. Come here, Russian dude. Come here. Have a taste of my beautiful, tasty thing. I don't know what I'm saying right now. Just knock this over. I'm not sure if it works. No, it does not. No. Oops. Whoops. Did not mean to do that. Come in here. Help me. I'm a donut. I don't have a key. Just help me. And then I squished him again. Okay, this is gonna be pretty hard. Of course, because there's a freaking boss trying to kill me. A freaking Russian dude. Come here. Come have me in your smoothie. Oh no, I already know I'm gonna miss. Yep, I freaking miss. I missed. Don't be mad at me because I missed. Oh crap. He's almost done. I'm only a donut that used to have a key. The key to freedom, but you don't need to kill me because I'm trying to get free. Gee, I'm gonna get you free too. We'll go to freedom, I promise. R.I.P. Oh my god. R.I.P. Russian dude. R.I.P. Well, since that was a little bit short, I guess I could do the next part. Well, I still couldn't find the lollipop, but yeah. But also, please subscribe to Games Aren't Lame 1449. And this is Trouble at the Patio. Okay, let's just start. I've been playing this a little bit, but I haven't finished it. But yeah, it's something. I think this. Oh no, this isn't the one with the vacuum. Okay, I was just wondering. Knock this over. Oh, that's how. Okay. Okay. So, remember the last episode? And they'll say, don't mess with me because I'm donut that has a key. That sort of rhymes, so I sort of decided to put it in there, and yeah, it's gotta go right here. Then get this sweet. And boom shakalaka. Chakalaka. Or whatever. Crack, crack. And I hated that part. The one with the knives. I hadn't got killed in that one, but at least I survived. Excuse me, knife dude. I don't wanna battle with you. I'm not apples, you know. Or pineapples. How about soccer? Let's play soccer so we could be friends. No, I'm dead already. I'm freaking dead. I don't want to watch a stupid ad. Holy crack. Okay. I'm gonna accomplish my goals. Hurry up, knife dude, so I could get these sugar cubes. These really good sugar cubes. And I don't want to be toasted. Oh, crack. Okay. At first I was like, what am I gonna do with the soccer ball? And then I figured out what it does, like, when I started doing the level. But yeah, it's complicated. So I'll try to do one video a day. If I hadn't said this already, then I'm gonna say it again. Please subscribe to GamesAreLame1449. And you probably already know what I forgot. Me intro. I've been practicing on this game. Yes! Nailed it. Man. So, level 13. Oh yeah, now I remember what it was. I know it was, I think there's a, wait a minute, hold on. No, there isn't a vacuum. Okay. At first I thought there was a vacuum in it. It was one of those levels. I don't know if I defeated it, but yeah. No thanks, I don't really want any sugar cubes for now, but I'll take this one. Nope. Meh. Oh, crack. Oh. No. No! You have to go a little bit quick on this, which I'm not a fan of. Oh no, I'm gonna die. And I just died. And I have to do 10 of those again. But I just go through this way, and then whenever that thing sees me, dash here real quick. And then he doesn't see me. Wow, wow. And then there's one thing that I hate about this level. And you'll see after I activate the remote. See, I have to go all the way over there, even though I just went over here, and yeah, I want to know what I said to this game? I hate this game. Don't make it too hard for a duck, alright? This is so freaking challenging. I hate these controls. That is just my opinion. No, 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 no. That was a bit. That was a little bit awkward. Okay, let's just go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go, Donut Bud. We can do this. Even though this is poor controls, I can still do this. I can do this. We can do this. We can do this. We can do this. He doesn't see us. Wow. Just wow. Oh, man. Man. I'm just doing this, but just please subscribe to my channel, you know, Dr. Duckling, which is my channel. Yeah. Blah, blah, blah. Ta-da. Okay. Okay, let's just do this. Let's just do this. Oh man, I didn't see that coming. And I don't want that cube. No! I had to watch a stupid ad to, you know, get another life. I don't want to do that thing all over again. I already had a tough life as a donut. But now, my dreams are gonna be turned to French fries, donut fries. Is that even a thing? Don't you dare go on this thing. Why am I even playing this game? This is so... Hey, get out of the way! Okay. This is gonna take a while. Until I don't hear the sound, I will go. Run for your life. Run for your sugary life, Donut. I believed in you, Donut. I believe in you. I believe in your sugary lives. Bye, Shredder. Careful, Donut. Careful. Save your friends. Save your not-so-sweet friends. You can do it. Yay! Hold on for a sec. Ooh. Man. I did it. I had to pay some sugar cubes to do it. Take your time, there's no rush, usually. Usually? Oh, there's no such thing as that. Oh yeah, this is the one with the vacuum. Wait. Okay, before I go on level 14, I'm gonna get some free sugar cubes. Just hope me luck. Wish me luck. Please. 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 Well, at least I got something. How about bonus spin? Stupid dad strikes again, as I always say. So let's do this. Let's do this. I am sweating it. I am freaking. Okay, there we go. Please, 10 times, wish me freaking luck. But at least I got. At least I got more. Okay, let's go to level 14 now. So we have to defeat the boss. The boss. Yeah, the boss. Okay. Okay. Let's begin the challenge. Let's begin the challenge. Let's begin the challenge. Let's just begin the challenge. Okay. Let's just do. That's you. Get a piece of glass. Okay. But yeah, it's something. It's something. But do no scrap trap. More like crap trap. Okay. So this is what you have to do. You have to try to get the vacuum thing on, like, mow the lawn. Like, not mow the lawn, but, you know. Let's just do that again so we could. Hey! Eat the nails! Okay, let's just go right here. I don't know where the nails come from, but walk through the nails. Let him taste it. See how he likes it. He hates it, but he doesn't care anyways. But he just does it. Eat it. Eat it. Eat your nice healthy thing. Eat it. Just eat it. Eat it. Eat it. Oh gosh. How am I even doing this? How this is easy to me? How? Well, I've been practicing a lot. That's why I went fully ahead. And I killed him. But here's the thing. Why are we on ground? Whenever we hit the ground, we die? That's the only question. The only question. Okay, we righted the car there. Okay. Oh. Okay. We're doing it though. Are we on level 14 or 15? I forgot. Hold on for a sec, let me see. I think we are in level 14. Yeah, I think we are. We hadn't died yet, but that's good. That's good. Why is that good? Well, there's less knives, so Better chance that I won't die. Yeah. Heh. Nom. Nom nom nom. Better chance I won't die. And I just did do that before. It could kill me. Kills me, knife dude. I have to go through to save my pals. My not so sweet pals. Well, the darker strawberries, but not too dark, so sweet. That's kind of strawberries that I like. You know. Pew! Nailed it. Okay. So we did it in stupid abstracts again. Great. A stupid abstract. Open. Okay, level 15. Let's see. Okay, we did do level 14. Let's just do it. We're almost done. I'm probably running out of time, but who cares? Okay. Oh no, I'm gonna be a soggy donut. Great. Just great. I'm gonna be a soggy donut, and how is the boxes standing up? They're made out of cardboard. And I just freaking died. And no, I am not gonna continue because I'm not gonna waste me sugar cubes unless I went far enough. Okay, I just want to skip that. Okay. Well, we're doing it. At least. Oh, there's a lollipop. I see it. I see it. I see it. But how am I gonna get it? That's the only problem. How am I gonna get it? So I have to go over there and then fix it. Oh, we have to get the plumper thing or whatever that's called. Long time no seen. Old buds, hammerheads. Long time no seen, hammerheads, I meant to say. Even though you're meant for meat, you wouldn't squish a sweet treat like me. I taste better than you, even though I'm half bitten, not half bitten, but who cares? Blah blah blah. I just need to skip the cutscene so I could hurry up with this. But yeah. Wait until you go. I had to pause it because I'm almost out of time. Yeah. R.I.P. sausage. I didn't know sausage was there. R.I.P. sausage. One like to save the sausage. One like. One like counts. So we could save the sausage. Oh great, I'm gonna Okay. I have to step over these disgusting meat and it's really squishy. Ew. Oh great. Well, we're almost done. We're almost done here. And we have to go through this. I'm gonna TP. Nom! That's so good. Okay, I think that's gonna be all for this episode. See you next time on Dexter's. Bye!